Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make a 60-second or a 30-second TikTok video, basically a TikTok video more than 15 second. So yeah, it's pretty simple, and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So yeah, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, to upload a video more than 60 seconds, click on this plus icon. Not just 60, this is the button you need to press to record a video. So once you come over here, you can see the 15 second at the down. If you want to record a video more than 15 seconds, just click on the 60s, and now you can record a video for 60 seconds. So that's basically how you create a 60-second video. Now basically I have to hold on this button, and after 60 seconds the video will be cut off. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll tell you guys how you guys can fix it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.